your English also breaks every time when you try to speak English. Your mind thinks in narrative language, then tries to translate that into English language. But by that time, your mouth gets stuck and you are not able to speak. It's not the English that's the problem. The problem is your habit of translating every sentence in your head. Hi, my name is Mohit Sambaria, and in this video, I will tell you how you can stop translating in your head and speak naturally. Because I have been there and I know how tough it is to translate in our head and speak with translating. So in this video, I will tell you why we translate in our head, and I will tell you three practices which you can do because I also have done and I am able to see lots of benefits of those exercises. So watch this video till the end. Let's talk about why most people translate in their head. We have been speaking in our native language since childhood, and our mind is extremely comfortable with that. And when we try to speak different language, so instead of speaking that language, our mind picks only easy tasks. So our mind only thinks in our native language, then tries to translate that into English language. And most of the time, it has been seen that we translate in our head when we get instant question. But there is one problem that translation is slow and speaking is fast. Mind can't do both things together. This is the reason why we translate in our head. Let's talk about three practices which you can do to stop translating in your head and speak naturally. First practice is talk to yourself. I would not say you to think in English because if you are at beginner level and if you are at quite intermediate level, so it is not hard to correct, but it is not easy task to think in English. So instead of saying thinking in English, I would say you that try to talk to yourself. Means whenever you are doing something, say what you are doing. Like I'm recording myself, so there is a camera in front of me. I am recording myself. I am making a video where I am speaking how to stop translating in your head and how to speak naturally. After that, I will take cold shower. Then I will start practicing of my English. Then I will do lots of things. So this is how you can also talk to yourself. It will help you a lot. But at in the starting point, you might have to face lots of problem. But as you will keep you doing that, you will become habitual of this. So talk to yourself. Second thing is speak English, not perfect English. Most of the people translate in their head because they chase perfection, but there is nothing like perfection. Native speaker also make mistake, and if you watch my most of the video, so you will be able to feel that Mohit also makes mistake because I don't chase perfection. Perfection won't come you instant. It will come you by taking small steps every day, by putting efforts every day. So I would not chase perfection, and I would not say you that you should also chase perfection, because if you are making mistake, your mistake teaches you what you need to improve, and what's the other topic are still up in the air. So speak English, not perfect English, because if you are able to speak, then you will be able to improve your all mistakes. Third practice is use Gemini and ChatGPT. I would not suggest you ChatGPT because ChatGPT is not available for 24 into 7, even if you don't have paid version. But I will suggest you that you should use Gemini because Gemini is totally free. You can use Gemini 24 into 7, and it has been seen that those people translate in their head who who are not comfortable with instant question. So if you are using Gemini, you will be able to get instant question, and you will have to answer of instant question. This is the reason you should use Gemini. And if you don't know how to use Gemini to practice of your English speaking, what are the things that you need to keep in your mind, so watch my this video. In this video, I have told you everything, how you can use Gemini to practice of your English speaking, and how you can leverage of this. So guys, this was the video about translating in our head and speak naturally. If you found this video helpful, and if you liked this video, so subscribe this channel and like this video and drop your comment in the comment section.